Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk to you about whether 4 months is enough time to prepare for the CAT. The short answer is yes, you can do this, but there are certain levels that you need to clear in terms of your preparation strategy. Now the first level is choosing the right coaching institute. Now a lot of times people ask me about which coaching institute to choose, and I've always maintained that all of them in terms of quality are more or less the same. What really matters is what you are seeking. So whether you're seeking a great price point, you're seeking something at in terms of flexibility of schedules, or you're seeking something in terms of flexibility of topics covered, then that will determine which coaching institute you should go to. Now this video is kindly sponsored by Physics Wala, and they wanted me to talk to you about two programs, the MBA Pro and MBA Ignite. MBA Pro is, I think, selling at 10,999. I'll put the details in the somewhere in the video, and MBA Ignite is at 6,499, which is great because both of them are on sale. And additionally, you can avail a 500 rupee off if you use the coupon MIL500. I will also type it somewhere in the video so you can see it. So why should you even consider this program? Now so MBA Ignite has a lot of cool features and it's priced extremely lucratively. So it has almost 10,000 practice questions, 20 plus mock tests, daily practice problems, weekly practice questions, 24/7 doubt clearance system. So they have a support line for doubt clearance. And they also have live and recorded lessons. Now MBA Pro, which has all of this and also has additional stuff like preparation for other management entrance exams. So I would highly urge you to check it out, see if it fits what you're seeking, and if it does, then you can use the coupon code, avail the 500 rupee off in addition to the sale that's already going on. Now, once you've figured your coaching institute, the next stage is to actually look at how to make the most of the resources. So like I've maintained, coaching institutes have more or less similar kind of content. How you strategize and how you milk the most out of that content is what matters. So I would suggest that you should start right from August. There is not much time left. Start in August because people have been preparing for as long as a year. So you need to compete with them, which can seem very daunting, but it is not impossible. Okay? And one more thing to remember is that by September, start taking mocks, regardless of whether you finish the syllabus or not, because two things. One, there is not enough time to wait for you to complete the syllabus to take mocks. The second thing is that when you take mocks, you will realize which sections are heavily recycled, which topics are heavily recycled, which topics are slightly avoidable. You can skip it if you want, and once you get a sense of that, you can actually prepare smartly instead of just putting in a lot of hard work. See, hard work is very, very important, but being smart is also very important. This exam is all about smartness and how you can hack your mind into solving the entire thing. So I would highly urge you to do that. And so I'd say August start preparation, September start mocks, by November mid stop mocks and just chill towards the end of November, and just keep revising formulae and stuff like that. Don't do actual questions by in the month after mid of November, because you don't want to defeat your morale. Suppose you're doing 2 questions and you're not able to solve them, it will shatter your confidence, and you don't want to do that. So end on a high. So stop your preparation when you've done very well in a mock, or when you get the satisfaction कि हाँ भाई मैंने बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ लिया. So those were my 2 cents. If it was helpful, let me know. You can write to me. I'm a little slow with replies, but I will do my best to get back. And see you another day, another time, and have a good day ahead.